Welcome to this vlog with me, Mark Tono Bryan, on Acholi High TV. And if you have not yet subscribed, I request you to subscribe to this channel for only one reason, so that you be among the first people to get our latest videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about the retirement which recently took place of the UPF generals, where 5 UPDF generals were retired, but unfortunately General Tangwany missed on the retirement list. And the topic today is what are the alternatives, the alternative options that General Tangwany can explore after missing on the retirement list. But before we get there, let's look at conditions under which a government may decide to retain an army official. Welcome to Acholi High TV. The first condition under which a government may refuse to retire or decides to retain an army official, like they have done with General Tangwany for now, because things may change. He may be retired at a later date, so still on. For now, number one is having specialized skills or expertise. Having specialized skills, knowledge, experience, or being an expert in a particular field may result into the government retaining a soldier or an army official despite clocking the retirement age. Now this is something, because in army there are certain people who are very talented that the army may not want to lose them. So after critical review, they may end up deciding to retain that person. The second reason as to why a government may retain an army personnel like they did to General Tangwany is shortages of personnel. In times of conflict or crisis or military personnel shortages, the government may decide to retain certain figures, key figures, to help in certain missions. So if personnels are in shortage, even if you reach retirement age, mandatory retirement age, still you may be retained. The third reason is ongoing critical missions. If the soldier or an army official is involved in an ongoing military operation or a mission which is not yet complete, the government may decide or request to extend the retirement age of that person until the mission is complete. This is at times to guard secrets, to avoid secrets from spilling over, among main reasons. At times for sticking to the strategic line, knowing that this person is the one handling this specific mission, so that nothing can be twisted and the line of operation should only stick to that person after a critical review and analysis. The fourth one is a political reason. Sometimes political reasons may play in for retaining personnel. This is especially if the personnel is seen as loyal to the current regime, and this is applicable worldwide. These reasons are not just specifically to Uganda. I'm using Uganda and the case study of General Tangwany as an example. So if they're seen as loyal to the regime, they may be retained for political reasons, maybe among others, if they're influential among the structure of the army. Now, the fifth one is legal reasons. There can be legal reasons which may allow the government to extend the period of service legally, which is allowed in the Constitution. So, this kind of legal provisions may be in period of state of emergency, maybe in war, as I already said. If there's experience in war, like state of emergency, it can happen. The service can be extended, or retaining someone can happen. Loyalty and trust is the sixth reason. To avoid political dissent within the military structure, government may retain certain political, maybe if they're in a politically unstable environment or unstable context, governments may ensure loyal and adhering servants to remain in service and prevent within the military political dissent. That is one of the reasons as to why somebody may be retained. Another reason, which is the last, is reason under which or conditions under which the government may retain military personnel is pending investigations or accountability. If the government retains somebody, there might be delay in retirement if the soldier is subject to ongoing investigations, or if there are unresolved matters such as allegations of misconduct or war crimes that need to be addressed before they can be set free or they can retire. Now, to watch the reasons, the alternatives that General Tawany has after missing on retirement. What can General Tawany do if really he needs to retire and really in pattern to the 2026 general election coming, which he has shown clear interest? What are the next thing you can do? Click the link below so that you watch the video to that one.